today's video we're gonna talk about seagulls. Seagulls are one of my favorite animals next to tigers, and I like to talk about them because people have kind of negative views about them, so I love to talk about them in this video. People think seagulls are very annoying and think that they like to steal people's food, but no, that's not the case. I was given an assignment by my teacher that taught me a lot about seagulls. The first fact that I learned is seagulls, they like to eat worms. Now, you guys know about worms. Worms, they like to come out from the soil when it's raining, and when it stops raining, seagulls come and tap on the soil, giving the impression to worms that it is raining, and so the worms come outside and the seagulls eat them. The second fact I learned is seagulls actually have a daddy daycare. The dads form kind of like a circle in the sky, and the kids, the baby seagulls, they form a circle in the sky, and the dads, while flying, keep an eye on the baby seagull. The other thing I want to tell you is seagulls and other organisms, as well as humans, need water to survive. Well, a lot of the organisms living on Earth can't drink salty water, but seagulls, they can, thanks to glands under their eyes that filters out the salt from the water, and so they can drink salty water. Alright guys, time to see a live footage of me spending time with a group of seagulls. Remember to like and subscribe. Hit the bell notification so you can get notified for my next upcoming video. Okay, bye!